Hello tennis fans and welcome to your tennis coach. I'm Yannis and today I'm gonna show you the most precise way to locate the 6 basic grips in tennis. Let's get started. Take a look on this image. We're gonna need these 2 points of our hand and the 8 bevels of the grip. For convenience, the heel of the hand will be green and the index finger's base knuckle will be red. No more detours. Let's go to the point. Continental grip, green and red on number 2. Semi-Western grip, green and red on number 3. Western grip, green and red on number 4. Semi-Eastern grip, green and red on number 1. Eastern grip, green on number 1 and red on number 8. Two-handed backhand, green on number 1 and red on number 2, and then place green and red of your left hand on number 7. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more content. Don't forget to drop your questions or comments below. See you next time.